welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, share my channel and give me a huge thumbs up. Today I'm gonna unbox a new color reveal that's in this cool sweet LOL. The first one we're gonna open is this. So let's unwrap it. Wow. Hey Mom.
Yeah.
So you want to say something about our YouTubers?
Let's say hi. Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
Hope you're having a good day.
So guys might want
This is what happens when the cap is put on too tight and you have to take a knife to get that thing open. I had to cut that thing open. So we finally got it, but here is Emma. She's gonna unreveal the Barbie.
Oh, we got some pink shoes.
Pink shoes?
Yes.
Okay. Nice pink shoes.
They're opening in the next bag.
Alright.
Okay, feel some.
Okay.
We got some glasses. Pink ones.
Pink glasses?
Yeah.
Let's see. Pink sunglasses. Really? Those are really tiny.
Yeah.
I mean,
Ooh, she comes with
hello.
the watermelon
cover
skirt.
your eyelids.
She comes with the watermelon this.
A watermelon skirt?
I think so. I don't know what it is.
She got all that stuff.
We got some-
Pink shoes.
we got a necklace. A green necklace.
There we go. That came with the Barbie. Here's the last one.
Ooh, it's her top.
What is that?
It's a watermelon.
Let me see.
It's a watermelon.
Right. Oh, hold on. Oh, okay. So it's like a little jacket
Yeah.
that matches the shirt. Okay. Here we go.
Okay, I think the Barbie.
Is that it?
Yeah.
All right, so we'll go get the Barbie. All right, so this is her all washed off. All the paint came off of her.
Leafy don't have the button it up.
Put her arms down. Yeah.
Her hair's a lot. Can you not get her hair? Let's get her necklace. Mom, oh, my mom thinks she old. My mom thinks this is a beach girl.
Oh, she does look pretty. All right, so this is the finished product.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Just highlights.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay, now we'll get the next
All right.
Beep, beep, beep,
With the
beep.
sunglasses in her hair and everything.
Beep, beep. The next one
Let's fix this.
and we're gonna open
the
this one for
top.
last. We're opening this one for last.
We'll do another one, yeah. Okay. So that is the finished product, ladies and gentlemen, of the Color Reveal Series 6. There. You're going to sit in the truck and watch.
Okay, so we have this, and now we're gonna.
This Mini Sweets LOL doll.
Yeah, I don't even know what it is.
Ooh, perfect zip.
My mom loves those. Another perfect zip.
Mm-hmm.
And
Oh, it's one of those recyclable balls. It's better for the environment.
And so it says blue LOL, and it's just a white ball. So
Well, that's different, hey? It
and
doesn't have compartments.
Ooh, let's see what the collector's guide is. We're getting this one. Remember on the stickers, Mom? We got this. We got this one.
Hot tamales?
Yeah, that's mine.
Yeah, new one.
Okay.
Yeah.
We got.
So we got hot tamale out of the LOL Mini Sweets. Cool.
Hot tamales. Let's see what other ones you can get.
And we did have the user's guide with the Twizzlers one, but
Twizzlers.
I don't have that video up yet from the Twizzlers one.
Dang it. Mommy. Here's all the ones that you can cut.
Guide for the LOL Mini Sweets.
She's a spit.
So we got hot tamale.
She's a rare.
There.
Now
Okay,
the-
wait now. And she is, in fact, an ultra rare. Wait, they all have hearts of IMM.
Yes.
Wait, no. She's popular, it says.
But with the heart.
Yeah, the olive heart's underneath them though.
Okay, let's open the next bag.
So
It's
the
her
one's right
bag.
here.
It's her bag. Put the Molly's bag.
Let me see. Oh, cool.
Hot tamale, you can stay there. I'll name her
Let me
Hot
see this
tamale.
bag. Ah, that's really cool. Get fired up.
Ooh, it's her outfit. Ooh. I'll show you guys up close.
Oh, cool.
Okay, should we get her? It's her water bottle.
What does it look like?
It looks like this with hot tamale on it.
Wow, cool. That's awesome.
Wait, there's something black.
Nope, there's something in here.
When I open this,
There's shoes.
oh, she comes with a wristband.
There's shoes in here too. You
Mom,
forgot.
when I open this one, it comes with a
And there's this.
wristband. Comes the black wristband.
Ooh, cool.
I'll show you. Up close.
Very nice.
Okay, we don't know this. It's her glasses.
Cool.
Wait.
Oh, those are really pretty.
Wait, she didn't come in the shoes. Oh yeah, she did.
Yeah, she did. I just took them out of the bag. You just forgot them.
Okay, let's put on her skirt. No, she comes with tights.
Well, just like that, it's cleaned up.
Hey, we got her all done.
Your bag. All right, so let's see. That's the hot tamale doll with the LOL mini series sweets, or the mini sweet series. That is the finished product, ladies and gentlemen. So that is right there.
Wow, guys, thanks for watching. Give me a huge thumbs up.